I saw this place, it had really good bones, it just needed some love and a hell of a lot of work. My name's Kate Rose, I'm the owner of the Baupal Park Farm in Chatsworth, just north of Gympie. We're a 40-acre macadamia farm and we grow macadamias and we value add all the nuts as well. So we've got a commercial kitchen on site and we process everything and we make some beautiful products with those. We are doing an enormous amount of work in the orchard this year, putting all of our organic natural farming practices into full swing, and the nut that's coming in at the moment is just fantastic. I haven't seen anything quite like it. So yeah, when people visit the farm, we give them this beautiful experience in the cafe, come in and have some lovely soft jazz and coffee and see all our products, get to meet the person who actually has made the product. That to me, if I was a customer, would be the most important part of that experience. And people love coming to farms to see what our primary producers are doing, because we are the backbone of the food industry in Australia, and I think that is really important for people to actually experience. We'll do like the natural farming workshops 2 or 3 times a year. We might have an open day once a year. The cafe's open 3 days a week. I use my Facebook feed for the farm as a way of promoting the shop and the products that I make. And we put lots of funny videos up too of the animals. Originally, when I took ownership of the farm, the business model for the farm was a wholesale direct to factory, so there was no value adding at all. Changing that whole dynamic meant going from wholesale nut in shell to factory to a closed loop farm where all of the product that we can grow here is processed into stuff that we can actually sell, so products that are saleable to the general public. The best piece of advice I could give somebody if they wanted to do a similar venture to this would be approach your council, see what requirements are needed and look at all of those parameters with council first so that you get a clear picture of what's expected. I know when I need to reach out to get support. I have other farmers come and see me asking for help, well then I can go and ask them for help too, you know? And then you build this lovely network of people that you can bounce ideas off and get support from. So yeah, you always need to reach out. I think I knew that in my gut, that it would be all right, it's going to be fine. Just feeling the love from customers, the success, when people come back and say, God, that tastes so good. When I give people tastings of our nut butter or macadamia banana bread or the shortbread biscuits, wow, that's what real food tastes like. That providence, that whole story is here on the farm. And that's what I love sharing with people.